Welcome to Humanaid Volunteers Hub. Let me educate you on how to make money as a volunteer.
Let me welcome you to the Hub. Here, we are one people, committed to promoting good virtues and learning. However, Humanaid also understands that we have needs. Every one of us needs money to either achieve a targeted dream, to sustain or to improve our standard of living. The idea of introducing the capacity for volunteers to make extra money was born out of the passion to ensure that volunteers are self-empowered relative to their commitment to the activities of the Hub. Meaning that, volunteers should be happy enough to see their personal dreams or projects achieved. You will agree with me that, the best way to achieve this is to help volunteers create a financial target from an opportunity that helps them make money.
But what if I am not interested in making money? Will that affect my activities as a member?
Not at all. Making money as a volunteer is optional. Very optional. In fact, some volunteers do work to help the NGO raise money, collect their earnings and still donate the earnings back to support the NGO. Not everyone needs extra money, but as many as desires, the opportunities are vast, and open to them.
So how do I make money from the Hub?
First, as a volunteer fundraiser. Humanaid gives up to 50% commission of donations of 1,000 naira made possible by volunteer fundraisers, and gives 20% commission for those above 1,000 naira. Humanaid believes that if you can encourage people, colleagues and friends to donate 1,000 naira, you too should have something to encourage you, especially in this period of economic frustration. Secondly, you can make money selling advert spaces for companies or individuals to advertise on Teen Realities magazine, a magazine that is distributed free. You earn commission on each advertorial you market. As a young lady or woman, you can trade in the Women Empowerment Project, and make money from the profits. Especially during the Teen Realities per-show promotional sales. This promotional sales are done on campus, so it is exclusive to students. Fourthly, you can also be a writer and get commissions when your articles are published in the Teen Realities magazine. Asides, just like a marketing job in the banking industry, you can also make money marketing Humanaid's cooperative investment initiative.
There are much more opportunities unfolding for everyone who desire to make money. Simply follow us on Instagram at humanaid.org, and on Twitter at @humanaid. WhatsApp 070644055569.